Huh?
Oh, here, where's my people?
What? Well, I mean, yeah. Hey, he's missing a shoe.
That was wild.
He's lost his shoe.
Nope. Nice hat. What are you doing, Owen? Are you ready to go on the train? You ready to go on the train? Yeah? Okay. Ready for the loud toot? Here it comes.
Alright folks, the orange cord overhead is for medical emergencies only. Please only pull that cord if you're having an actual medical emergency. Also, I need to remind everyone to keep your arms, hands, legs, and feet inside the train bar class and your feet off the running board. Runs along the left side of the train. Now, howdy everybody. So I heard a few people. How about the rest of you? Let's start this way. Merry Christmas! Woo, now see right there, that sounded a whole lot more gooder. And my name's Conductor Tom. I'm going to be following you around the back of car number 4. Waiting us out on the side over here is our good friend Conductor Tyler, Conductor JR, and way up at the front there, Conductor Gary Dean. Oh, I mean, no, it's Conductor Nick. Everybody waving, yell, bye guys! Now behind Nick on the left up here is an old-fashioned carousel. Just past the carousel, Bears in the Holler, where you go in, pick yourself out a really special present for underneath that tree. Now folks, this is here a sing-along train, so here's how it works. I'm going to play the music, and we're all going to sing our lungs out. Alrighty, here we go. Got that big old barn, that swing will swoosh you down at 50 miles an hour. That's right. Just in front of that on the right, those two silver things, high-low silos. You see the kids and pull themselves up and glide on back there. All right, and just like that, we're all in the places, ready to roll. So here we go again.
Oh, those guys?
Alright, folks, I'm going to break things in just a moment. Let you know we're here in a couple of minutes, we're going to have a special little show. Now, I'd like to ask you all to silence your cell phones, just for the courtesy of those sitting next to you. And feel free during the show to take all the photos, all the videos you'd like. Just make sure your phones don't ring. Thank you. Out here in the middle of these woods, I look at these woods all summer long. We get a lot of deer out of here. A lot of deer. This time of the year, special deer. Come up with the red nose. I think y'all know his name. And now we're going to sing about him. Here we go.
Look at all the reindeer, Owen.
I see it.
There's Santa, Owen. There's reindeer. See all the snowflakes over there? Over in the trees.
Well, folks, Christmas means a lot of different things to different people. Now, for me, I'm a little bit older. That takes me back to my childhood days.
Here, Will. Look all those
The
guys.
old road to my grandma's house for Christmas dinner.
Okay.
They lived way on back in the woods, way on back there. Let's go to their house. Grandma'd been cooking around that old wood stove. Well, you could sure smell that turkey, mashed potatoes, and gravy, that stuffing. She was such a great cook. She always had a special table for the cakes and pies. You know, the dessert table. You know what I'm talking about. After we had our big dinner, we'd always go in the family room. There'd be a big old tall Christmas tree and presents as far as the eye could see. Dad, we couldn't touch them though. Grandpa wouldn't let us touch them, so he set us down and told us the true meaning of Christmas. Well, I tell you what, even now, sometimes I can still just lean my head back and hear my grandpa say,
Merry Christmas, kids. A little bit late there. I'm so glad you made it. Grandma and I have been expecting you. She's up in the cabin. She's been working hard all day, baking turkey and dressing, pumpkin pie and cookies and all kinds of good things. I was up there earlier helping her. Yeah, then I started to get underfoot. I started stitching nibbles of everything, so it tasted so good. She finally got just a little bit tired of me getting in her way. Shooed me out the front door, say, Grandpa, you know the guests are due soon. You go out there on that front porch, you wait out there and make them welcome when they come. So I'm out here now. Oh, but I love this time of year. family is coming home and everyone you meet just seem friendlier and happier. And that's the way Christmas should be. At least that's the way I see it. You know. If you want to applaud, you go right ahead and read. Thank you, folks. We enjoy knowing that you like hearing us tell the story, so thank you. But you know it is getting late. I need to get the firewood in your grandma before the fire goes out so she can finish cooking our dinner. I'm just so glad you kids could make it back and see Grandfather's Christmas. I hope everybody can. Merry Christmas, kids.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you for those kind words, Grandpa. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye. Merry Christmas.
Now this year, let's all do the best we
Say
can
bye, Will.
to make it home for Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Say bye, Owen. Bye.
Alrighty, we're gonna find out for those of you who have cameras, or if you take pictures with your cell phones, here in about a minute or so on the right, you're going to go get a pretty good view across Silver Lake. Now tonight there's no wind, so there's no ripples on that water, so if you want to take these pictures out the right side, when we get up here to all these lights you see, there should be some pretty good opportunities off the right side of the camera. Here on our left is a brand new fire in the hole. That's where it's located, right back here on the left. Crossing up here, as we go through, there were people standing out on both sides waving at us on the car numbers and yell, Merry Christmas. It's it for car 4. I've got something a little special in mind for car 4. Alrighty, car 1, waving the Merry Christmas. Alrighty, car 3, waving the Merry Christmas. Here we go, car 4. Waving the hold on! Did you guys really do that? Tell you what, on behalf of myself